Hello everyone, welcome to Neurosapiens.
In today's tutorial, we'll look at how to build a data table in Tableau Desktop Public Edition. First, you'll need to open Tableau Desktop Public Edition. Once it is open, in the landing page, you will need to drag and drop your data set here or read it using one of the Connect options on the left-hand panel into Tableau Desktop Public Edition. So the data set I'm going to be using is the Uber Fares data set. I'm just going to drag and drop my Uber Fares dataset in the open section here in the middle. Tableau will then read in this dataset and create a new tab in orange called Sheet 1. I'll click on this tab to go to the worksheet. Now, initially, it's an empty worksheet. There are no visualizations and there are no data tables. In Sheet 1, to create a data table, I'm going to first change the data type for pickup date time to date and time. So I'm going to click on the drop down for pickup date time. Go to the option Change Data Type, and then click on Date and Time. This will then change the data type for the field Pickup Date Time to a Date and Time attribute. And then I'm going to drag the field Pickup Date Time to the columns area. So click and release in the columns area, and then I'm going to add on for the pickup date time to change it and add on the quarters breakdown. So I'm going to click on the plus sign here. This will create another field called quarter. I'm going to drag this quarter here to rows. So now what I'm seeing here is a data table where each row is quarter 1 through to quarter 4. Each column is from the year 2009 to 2015. And then to add on data values, I'm going to use a field passenger count. I'm going to drag the column passenger count to the middle area where there is these ABC values and release. So I'm going to click on passenger count, drag and release. And now the ABC values are replaced with the passenger count for each year and each quarter within that year. And so thinking back to the last video, the question was, why is there a sharp drop in passenger count from 2014 to 2015? As we can see here, it is likely because 2015 will only have 2 quarters worth of data, so it will not be a fair comparison. Comment below how we can fairly compare the passenger count across each year. So there you have it. This is how you can create a data table in Tableau Public Desktop Edition.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and click the notification bell for weekly videos. Please share the video with anyone who you think would benefit from the content and comment below what topics you would like to learn. If you would like to support this channel and have the means to do so, the best way will be via my Patreon link in the description below. Happy learning, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.